Today I'm going to show you exactly how to find your channel ID on Telegram. By the end of this video, you'll know the quickest, easiest way to get that important ID number, whether you need it for managing bots, tracking analytics, or setting up any cool automation. Let's jump right in. First, open up Telegram on your device. Make sure you're logged in, and it doesn't matter if you're using the mobile app or Telegram desktop. The process is nearly identical. Take a moment here to ensure you're on the main chat screen. Having Telegram open is like opening the door to all its features. Next, we'll use the search bar at the top. Click or tap on the magnifying glass icon, which is Telegram's way of saying, "Hey, what are you looking for today?" In the search field, type *get username to ID bot. This is a specific bot designed to convert usernames and channels into their unique Telegram IDs. It's safe. Tons of people use this bot for tasks just like yours. Once you see it pop up in the search results, look for a name along the lines of username to ID. Go ahead and select it. When you open the bot's chat, you'll notice the familiar Start button toward the bottom. Click Start to wake up the bot. Don't worry if it takes a second or two. Sometimes bots need a moment to get going if it's your first time chatting with them. Now, with the bot activated, you're ready to find your channel ID. The bot offers a list of options. Look for one labeled Channel and give that a click. This is important. By choosing Channel, you're letting the bot know exactly what kind of ID you're interested in. This step narrows things down so you're not accidentally getting your user ID or a group's ID instead. Next, select your desired channel from the list. If you manage multiple channels, pick the one you need the ID for. If you have just one channel, easy, tap it. Think of this almost like picking an item from your pantry. You're directing the bot's attention to that specific channel. Once you've chosen your channel, you'll see a Send button. Tap or click Send to confirm the selection. Don't rush, the bot may need a moment to process your request, especially if your channel is active or large. Now watch as the bot immediately replies with your channel's unique ID number. And that's it, you've got your Telegram channel ID on screen, ready to copy and use wherever you need. Keep in mind, this ID is essential for things like connecting the channel to automation tools, integrating with other apps, or customizing bot permissions. So if you ever need to reference your channel in a technical setting, this is the ID you'll use. And if something didn't work, maybe you couldn't find the bot, or your channel didn't appear in the options, don't stress. Sometimes you might need to be an admin of the channel for it to show up, or you might need to wait a moment or restart Telegram. It happens. Feel free to watch this section again or ask me below in the comments. I hope this step-by-step explanation helped clarify the process and boost your confidence in managing Telegram channels. If this video saved you time or taught you something new, give it a thumbs up. Still have questions or want to share your experience? Drop a comment below, and remember to subscribe so you don't miss future tutorials just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.